Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, we are going to look at one effective, natural and fast acting remedy for grey hair. This helps to reverse grey hair and prevent further occurrences in the future. Let's see how to make this in simple steps. First, take a medium-sized onion, cut it into pieces and blend it to extract juice from it. Take 1/4 cup of this onion juice into a bowl. Onions have powerful catalase enzyme activity that breaks down the hydrogen peroxide accumulation in the body, which is responsible for grey hair. Next, we need black seed powder. I don't have black seed powder, so I am making it using the black seeds. Take 2 tablespoons of black seeds. Slightly toast them on low flame without oil for 3 minutes. After toasting for 3 minutes, switch off the stove. Let it cool down. Now grind the toasted seeds into a fine powder like this. This is the fresh ground black seed powder we have got. Alternatively, you can also buy ground black seed powder from the stores. Black seeds promote melanin activity in hair follicles to bring natural color to the hair. Take 2 tablespoons of this powder and add it to the onion juice. Next, let's add some henna. Henna might give temporary brown color to hair, but it is beneficial on long term for grey hair and hair growth. Add 1 tablespoon of henna into this mix. Mix everything to form a smooth fine paste. If you want to have better consistency, you can add more onion juice and mix it again. That's all. Apply this mix to cover all the scalp and hair. Leave it on for a minimum of 30 minutes and up to 1 hour and wash away with mild shampoo. That's all. You will enjoy the benefits of grey hair reversal from first use. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.